A brazen invasion by macroposa, illegal goat panners, has turned the once Sakuva River into a war zone of mud, noise, and destruction. Armed with picks, shovels, and an unquenchable thirst of gold, the artisanal miners have descended on the riverside industrial area just minutes away from Mutare's CBD, digging up anything that sparks. Salvena mashukubuda pangwa inanoka kutsaiwa. Mutare World Goat Hunters bring chaos right to the city. Not for subscribe or like. But now on the bell icon. Timina now when comes the locals say the goat hungry invaders hail from the high density suburbs of Chikanka, Abaus, and Sakuba. Since January, they've been camping out along the river, tearing through the earth like it's Penalonga 2.0. The miners are not just digging, they are sneaking in under cover of darkness, wrecking property and creeping dangerously close to homes and businesses. The area behind Mutare Bottling Company and the Uville suburb now resembles a battlefield, with the dug up soil, destroyed precast walls, and frightened residents looking over their shoulders. It's madness, said local resident Mr. Shadrach Madira. Our walls are being smashed. They are following gold trails straight into our properties. Soon, our houses will start collapsing. With the residents too scared to speak out against the gang of illegal diggers, worried they could be the next targets. As the gold rush, chaos spirals out of control. Desperate calls are growing louder for authorities to act before the city's foundation, both literal and environmental, crumble beyond repair. Thomas Kwarubuda Pangwa Ine, Sharako Kunza, according to the economic situation Pangwa Ine, my world go to handers, Aku Konjeresa, our chaos and bomba cities, Nauda Kukuchaka Shichiro, Abinago message made with the Makuro element to live on the petite coach. So subscribe or like, check on my bell icon.